Welcome to Camel Agri TV. If you love farming and want to grow healthy crops, you're in the right place. Today, I'll take you through essential land preparation steps for okra farming, so stick around for pro tips to improve your yield. The first step is choosing well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight, as okra thrives in warm conditions with at least 6 hours of sunlight. Once you have the right spot, clear the land by removing weeds and debris. Next, loosen the soil by tilling to improve aeration and root penetration. Adding compost or manure boosts nutrients, leading to stronger plants and higher yields. Proper spacing is also key. Make planting rows 12 to 18 inches apart for healthy growth. Additionally, ensure good drainage, as waterlogged soil can cause root rot and reduce your harvest. Now your land is ready for planting okra. In our next video, I'll show you the best planting techniques to maximize growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more farming tips from Camel Agri TV.